are with Tricia Reust at the moment, and we have just finished filming Tricia for the second time.
Second.
Which is pretty cool. So the first time must have worked for you?
It changed my art practice in that I do road trips and I'd be out in the middle of New South Wales and there'd be a small art group.
Mm-hmm.
And, oh, we saw you on Colour in Your Life. Oh,
yeah.
You haven't changed your shirt.
I'm still dressed in the same stuff too. So.
And then my father and I went over to New Zealand the year after we filmed, and on the way home, sitting in the plane, here's my session of Colour in Your Life for a whole plane to see.
That's too funny.
Just blew us away.
That's and then you basically said, look, it was such a great thing to do for the first time you've come on again. And
yeah, so I really love sharing what I do, and I hadn't even begun to touch what I do with pastel with you, so to have the opportunity, it just made sense to, go with you again and reach those same people that have already appreciated what we've done before.
And our audience now is in the millions and hundreds of thousands of subscribers.
It's crazy,
it's just incredible what's happening.
Crazy.
So, in saying that, guys, I mean, if you want more information, we're most willing to just simply talk to you. There's no obligation whatsoever if you want to come in and say hi to us.
Same with me. Anyone wants to ask me on the quiet what the experience was like, I'm more than happy.
That's fantastic. That really is great. You can just come to colorinyourlife.com.au or even just see me at graham@colorinyourlife.com.au and then just have a quick talk to us. As I said, there's no obligation whatsoever, and if you feel that it's going to help your art practice, which it does with many of the people that come on board, we'd be happy to talk to you anyway. So thanks.